Well, hi there, friends, and thanks for joining me for Circle Time. I am ready to get started. Are you ready? All right, let's hit it. Let's stand up, put our right hand over our heart. Our eyes are on the flag, and we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Raise that hand up to our side and we say, I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we will reach our dreams. All right, now you look at my calendar, I added a birthday cake down here because that is Carly's birthday. So she has to go through all this week and next week, and then it's her birthday. But today is the 5th day of May, and it is called Cinco de Mayo. And if I were to continue my pattern for Cinco de Mayo, pink flower, blue flower, pink flower, blue flower. What's going to go here? A pink flower or a blue flower? If you said pink flower, you're right. Let's figure out what day of the week our pink flower and Cinco de Mayo has fallen on. Let's sing our song. Here we go. Days of the week. 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 Here we go. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Snap your fingers. Here we go. Let me hear you. Sunday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Alright, and today is Tuesday, May 5th, 2020. With 1, 2, 3 more days of school this week. We predicted weather. We predicted sunny weather today, and it is sunny out there. What kind of weather do you think we're going to have tomorrow? Let's make a prediction. What do we think? Cloudy? Alright, put the clouds there. Wait and find out. I hope it's sunny again. Let's say the alphabet together. Ready? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Wonderful. All right, let's count to 20. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Awesome. All right, let's count backwards from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Let's find a color. Can you find something that is red? There's something red. Right here is anger. Anger is red. How about if we look here and find the circle? Where's the circle? There it is. What color is our circle? It is green. Great job. Whoop, whoop, whoop. too fast. We're pushing the wrong buttons. Our nursery rhyme this week is This Old Man. And let's watch the movie This Old Man. I can get to it.
Sing a song we'll all sing along with the Mother Goose Club. The Mother Goose Club. This old man. This old man came rolling home. I like your beard, Jack. Why, thank you. Let's count to 10 with this old man. He'll give his dog a bone, and we'll all go rolling home. 1. This old man, he played 1. He played knick-knack on my thumb with the knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. 2. This old man, he played 2. He played knick-knack on my shoe with the knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. 3. This old man, he played 3. He played knick-knack on my knee with the knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. 4. This old man, he played 4. He played knick-knack on my door with the knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. 5. This old man, he played 5. He played knick-knack on my hive with the knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played 6. He played knick-knack on my sticks with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. 7. This old man, he played 7. He played knick-knack up in heaven with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. 8. This old man, he played 8. He played knick-knack on my gate with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. 9. This old man, he played 9. He played knick-knack on my spine with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. 10. This old man, he played 10. He played knick-knack once again with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
All right. I love This Old Man. Let's look at this money. This is a what? Quarter. And this one? Dime. And here? Nickel. And this is a penny. Wonderful. All right. Let's figure out what number it is. 7, 1, 9, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8, 3. And now it's time to do our letter.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top.
Letters, start your letters at the top.
Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. This is the top, top, top. No, it's the bottom. This is the top, top, top. No, it's the middle. This is the top, top, top. Yes, it's the top, top, top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Reach up.
Way up.
Is that the top?
This is the top. Reach out and touch the top. Reach down.
Way down. Is
Is
that
that the bottom?
Yes, it's the bottom. Reach
Reach
out
out and touch the bottom. Here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle.
Top, bottom.
Shake it in the middle.
Top, bottom.
Shake it in the middle.
Where do you start your letters at the top?
Do you start your letters at the top?
Where do you
Start your letters at the top.
If you want to
Start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top. Here we
This
go.
is the top, top, top.
No, it's the bottom.
This is the top, top, top.
No, it's the middle.
This is the top, top, top. Yes,
It's the top, top, top.
Where do you start your letters at
The
the
top.
Move to the rhythm.
All right. So we're doing review of letters, and today we're going to review how to make the letter J. So J is a center starter. Put our finger at the top. We say big line down, turn, frog jump up, little line across the top. You ready? Let's do it one more time. Fingers at the top. And we say big line down, turn, frog jump up, little line across the top. And we made the letter J. Let's go ahead and grab our Magic C. Now, Magic C, doesn't have to go there, it goes. Move these pieces over. Flip around Magic C. Actually, I will clone it first. And put that one. So we did the Magic C yesterday. Magic C is very magical because it uses, or it can make lots of letters with the Magic C as our starter. So let's get our center star out of there and get our smiling face back. And here's our Magic C. But it's going to hang off our mat a little bit because we're making a letter that's a little bigger than our mat. And it's the letter O. So we need two Magic C's. We'll put them together and we can sing our song. Make the letter O, I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Keep on going, please don't stop. It's the letter O when you get to the top. Now if I grab a little slide and put it towards the bottom, what letter is that? It's the letter Q. So again, we make the letter O. Make the letter O, I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Keep on going, please don't stop. It's the letter O when you get to the top. Add a little side, it's a Q. All right, now if I get rid of this Magic C, this Magic C stays here. I take this little line. I take this little line down here, and I'm going to turn it. Clone it first. I'm going to turn it. I'm going to make the letter G. I'm going to put a little line up and a little line across in the center. And you remember, when I take the Magic C away, it has a tiny T left behind. So without the Magic C, it looks like a tiny T. When I put the Magic C and the tiny T together, it makes the letter G.